G'day guys, Adam here from Dents-B-Gone. In this video I wanted to go over the three main benefits of using PDR to repair the dings and dents in your car. So stay tuned and watch this video to find out just what those three benefits are. So the main benefit to PDR is the fact that we're returning the damage back to its original state. So everything on the car is staying original. There's no fillers going into the panel, there's no painting, there's no blending. Everything goes back to original condition. That's the biggest benefit, because you know, if you had a new car or near new car, and we see this quite a lot where someone's, you know, just bought a car, it's a week old, they go down to Woolies or Coles and they come back and they've got a dent in their door. You know, why would you want to go and get that dent or that panel repainted when there's an easier, more cost-effective and quicker alternative to fixing that dent? And that's PDR. So within a couple of hours, that small ding, we can make it look like there's like nothing ever happened. So that's the main benefit to PDR. Everything's going back to its original condition. The second benefit to PDR is the time-saving aspect of it. So with paintless dent removal, in most cases, you've got your car back that same day. So small dings and dents might take an hour or 2 hours. Larger damage, a little bit more complex damage, might take half a day, 3/4 of a day, up to a day. Most of the damage that we take on, we can have back that same day. So, you know, like, people have got busy lives these days. They can't afford to be without their car for days or weeks, and that's where we come in. PDR is much quicker, and you're back in your car, back on the road, that same day in most cases. The third benefit to PDR is the cost saving. So with PDR, we can offer a cheaper alternative to the panel shop's traditional repair methods, simply for the fact that we don't have the same high overheads that the panel shops have. So these guys have got big sheds to rent, big power bills, spray booths to run, paint costs. All these things add up. So we don't have those same high overheads that the panel shops have got, and that's why we can offer a cheaper alternative. In saying that we are cheaper, we're certainly not cheap. We don't offer, you know, dirt cheap repairs, because the last thing we want to be doing is having to rush through repairs because we haven't charged enough for our time, and then start making mistakes and ending up with poor quality repairs. That's definitely not what we're about. I prefer to charge a higher price, have enough time to get the repair done properly the first time, and end up with a happy customer in the end. So that's our main focus. We want happy customers after every repair, because we want to be in business up here for a long time, and we're not planning on going anywhere in the near future. So that's how we're going to stay in business, by offering high quality repairs. So they're the three main benefits to PDR. Hopefully, you know, it'll give you some sort of idea on why you should go the PDR method instead of, you know, going straight to a panel shop to repair that ding. There is a cheaper and better alternative, and that's paintless dent removal. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video, and have a good one. Cheers.